High liver enzymes? Don't worry, lower them fast in 2 weeks with this method. Proven. Hey, did you just get your test results back and see high liver enzymes? Don't panic. I've been exactly where you are. Trust me, in just 2 weeks, you can bring your liver enzyme levels back to normal. In this video, I'll share 7 super specific steps that I used and saw real results. This isn't just theory, it's real action. And here's the thing. There's something you're doing every day that's hurting your liver, and you don't even know it. Watch until the end to find out. What are high liver enzymes, and why should you care? Okay, first we need to understand what high liver enzymes mean. Liver enzymes include ALT and AST. These are chemicals that get released when liver cells get damaged. Normal ALT levels are below 40 U-Eller. Normal AST levels are below 35 U-Eller. If yours are higher, your liver is calling for help. According to the World Health Organization, 25% of people worldwide have fatty liver disease. This is the main cause of high liver enzymes. In Vietnam, the number is even higher, about 30 to 35%. Wow, that means 1 out of every 3 people has liver problems. High liver enzymes aren't a disease, they're a warning sign. It's like the warning light on your car dashboard. If you ignore it, your liver could develop cirrhosis or even liver cancer. Scary, right? But don't worry. The liver is the only organ that can heal itself if you do the right things. Now we'll go through the 7 specific steps to lower liver enzymes in 2 weeks. But first, hey, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button to support me. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next health videos. Every subscription motivates me to make more quality content. Let's continue. Step 1. Cut out all alcohol and alcoholic drinks. This sounds obvious, but it's the most important step. Alcohol is enemy number 1 for your liver. When you drink alcohol, your liver has to work really hard to break it down. This damages liver cells and makes enzyme levels jump up. A study from Johns Hopkins University found something amazing. When people completely stop drinking for 2 weeks, their liver enzymes drop 20 to 30%. It sounds simple, but many people can't do it. They think just a little bit won't hurt. But here's the truth. If you've ever thought 1 beer won't hurt, your liver is thinking, oh no, not again. I haven't had time to rest. Your liver needs a weekend off just like you do. So for these 2 weeks, say no to all alcoholic drinks. No exceptions. If your friends invite you to drink, be honest about your health. People who really care about you will understand and support you. But just cutting out alcohol isn't enough. What else do you need to do? Step 2. Remove foods high in sugar and trans fats. You know what? Sugar and bad fats are even more dangerous than alcohol for your liver. Refined sugar, especially fructose in soft drinks, turns directly into fat in your liver. This is what causes fatty liver disease. A study in the journal Hepatology showed something shocking. People who drank 2 cans of soda every day had 5 times higher risk of fatty liver compared to people who didn't drink soda. Oh my gosh, 5 times. Foods to avoid for 2 weeks. Soft drinks, bubble tea, bottled juice, sweets, candy, chocolate, fried foods, French fries, fried chicken, fast food, burgers, pizza, processed meats, sausages, hot dogs. Eat these instead. Green vegetables, broccoli, spinach, fresh fruit, apples, berries, lean protein, salmon, chicken breast, whole grains, oatmeal, brown rice. I know you're thinking, so what can I eat now? Don't worry, later I'll show you a specific menu. But first, step 3, drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Water is your liver's best friend. Water helps your liver remove toxins, transport nutrients, and keep your metabolism working. When your body doesn't have enough water, your liver has to work twice as hard. A study from the National Institutes of Health showed that drinking enough water can increase liver detox by 30%. This means your liver recovers much faster. Simple formula. Your weight is 30 milliliters equals water needed per day. Example, if you weigh 60 kilograms, you need 1.8 liters of water per day. Practical tips. Drink 1 glass of warm water right when you wake up. Carry a 500 milliliters water bottle and drink 4 to 6 bottles per day. Set an alarm to remind you every 2 hours. Drink warm or filtered water, avoid ice water. And if you're thinking, drinking that much water means going to the bathroom all day? Yes, that's right. But that's how your liver is pushing toxins out. Think of it as exercise and detox at the same time. But just drinking water isn't enough. You also need to. Step 4. Add liver-friendly foods. Some foods are like superheroes for your liver. They contain antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help your liver recover quickly. Top 7 golden foods for your liver. Turmeric, curcumin, reduces liver inflammation and protects liver cells. Drink 1 glass of turmeric water every morning. Garlic contains allicin that activates liver enzymes. Eat 2 to 3 raw garlic cloves daily. Grapefruit contains naringenin that helps burn liver fat. Eat half a grapefruit daily. Spinach and leafy greens neutralize heavy metals and chemicals. Eat 100 grams per day. Salmon, omega-3, reduces inflammation and liver fat. Eat 2 to 3 times per week. Walnuts, rich in arginine that helps liver detox ammonia. Eat 5 to 7 nuts daily. Green tea, catechins protect liver from damage. Drink 2 to 3 cups per day. A study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found amazing results. People who ate these foods had liver enzymes drop by an average of 25% in just 2 weeks. Incredible. But eating well isn't enough. You also need Step 5. Exercise. Moderately for 30 minutes every day. Exercise is the most natural way to burn liver fat. When you exercise, your body uses fat for energy. This includes fat stored in your liver. Research from Harvard University showed that moderate exercise for 30 minutes daily can reduce liver fat by 10 to 15% in just 2 weeks. You don't need to exercise too hard. Just be consistent. Good exercises. Fast walking, 30 minutes per day. Light jogging, 20 to 25 minutes. Cycling, 30 to 40 minutes. Swimming, 30 minutes. Yoga, 30 to 45 minutes. Important notes: exercise in the morning or evening. Warm up well before exercising. Be consistent. Don't skip 3 days, then exercise hard for 1 day. Listen to your body. Rest if you're too tired, but if you only exercise without enough sleep. Step 6. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Your liver works hardest at night, especially from 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. This is when your liver regenerates cells and detoxifies. If you stay up late, your liver doesn't have time to recover. A study in Sleep Medicine Journal found that people who sleep less than 6 hours per night have 3 times higher risk of fatty liver compared to people who sleep 7 to 8 hours. That's terrible. Ways to improve sleep. Go to bed before 11 p.m. Turn off your phone 30 minutes before sleep. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Don't drink coffee after 3 p.m. Read books or listen to soft music before bed. Quality sleep helps your liver recover twice as fast. This is a step you cannot skip if you want to lower liver enzymes in 2 weeks. And finally, the most important step that many people forget. Step 7. Avoid stress and manage your emotions. Did you know chronic stress also raises liver enzymes? When you're stressed, your body releases the hormone cortisol. Long-term cortisol increases inflammation and damages your liver. According to the American Liver Foundation, chronic stress raises liver enzymes by 15 to 20% even when you eat healthy. So managing stress is extremely important. Effective ways to reduce stress. Meditation, 10 to 15 minutes per day. Listen to relaxing music. Write in a feelings journal. Talk with loved ones. Walk in the park. Watch comedy shows. Read funny stories. Important, don't keep everything inside. Find healthy ways to release your emotions. Specific 14-day plan. Okay, now I'll give you a specific daily plan so it's easy to follow. Week 1, days 1 to 7. Morning, drink 1 glass warm water, 1 glass turmeric water. Breakfast, oatmeal, berries, walnuts. Lunch, brown rice, salmon, green vegetables. Afternoon, fast walk for 30 minutes. Dinner, vegetable soup, boiled chicken breast, grapefruit. Before bed, drink green tea, sleep before 11 p.m. Week 2, days 8 to 14, continue like week 1. Increase exercise to 40 minutes. Add yoga or meditation. Drink 2.5 liters of water per day. Expected results after 14 days. Liver enzymes drop 20 to 40%. Feel lighter and more energetic. Better digestion. Better sleep. Brighter, healthier skin. So we've gone through all 7 steps to lower high liver enzymes in 2 weeks. Remember, cut out alcohol, eat healthy, drink enough water, add liver-friendly foods, exercise, sleep enough, and manage stress. Simple but effective. Now I want to ask you, which step do you think is hardest to do? Cutting out alcohol or getting enough sleep? Comment below and let me know. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. so you don't miss my next video about diet for fatty liver, complete 7-day nutritious menu. I'll share specific recipe details. See you in the next video. Take care.